This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. See, in our previous class, we discussed the internal table introduction. In our previous class, we discussed the internal table introduction. So let's we see today practically. Okay. Now see here. Yeah. See, actually, see here the point. Here the point is. Yeah. Just 1 minute only.
This conference will now be recorded.
See, today we are going to discuss the concept internal table. Internal table is very, 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 very important. Okay. So here, first of all, I'm going to say the scenario. I have a client, for example, IBM. This IBM client asked me, Anil Krishna, I have a material table. Okay, I have a material table. That means Mara table. I have a material table. That material table having, for example, 200 fields. Okay, out of this 200 fields, you please try to display. Out of this 200 fields, you please try to display material number, material name, okay, material number, material name, okay, and create a date, and the last change it on. For example, these four fields only he wants to display. These four fields only he wants to display using the internal table concept. Okay, using the internal table concept, these four fields only need to display. How we people can display this? See, can you please tell me, if I want to display all the fields of the table, then what I need to do? If I want to display all the fields of the table, then what I need to do? First of all, what I need to do?
Indian
See,
table was working.
first of all, if we want to display all the fields of the table, means we need to declare the table. Okay, we need to declare the table, because see, table Mara. That's it. When you need to define the table name, if the client wants to display all the fields of the Mara table, that is material table, then all the fields means what? Entire table. All the fields means nothing but entire table. Entire table we need to display. How we see entire table data we need to display? That's a requirement. If I want to display entire table means what? All fields of the data I need to display. So if I want to display all fields of the data, if I want to display all fields of the data, that means all fields of the data, all fields of the table means what? Entire table we need to display. So which table data we are going to display? That entire table we need to declare first. Okay. But here my client asked me, out of 200 fields, he wants to display particular fields only. Okay, if we want to display particular fields, before that we need to declare these particular fields, right? How we people can declare these particular fields? How we people can declare this particular fields? Through the structure, right? See what I said yesterday. If you want to declare all the if you want to display all the fields of the table, all the fields means entire table we need to display. So that's why first of all we need to declare the table name. But when the client wants to display particular fields of the table means, we need to define the structure. Okay, did you get the point? Did you get the point or having any doubt? Brother Kamlesh and Anusha Garu and Shambhavi Garu and Uma Garu, clear or having any doubt?
Very clear.
Okay, right? Yeah. See, if you have the doubt, don't hesitate to ask the doubt. If you not ask the doubt means, okay, that's you peoples are going to self-cheating. Okay, So subject wise, if you have any doubt, just don't hesitate to ask me. I am ready to explain each one 10 times also. I have the patience. Okay, so see here, now I need to create the structure. See here.
Hello.
Yeah, brother, getting my voice. Your voice is getting.
I didn't get the video, Anil. The class one day I missed.
Which one? Which video you didn't get?
One day I did not attend one class. Tabular
All
structure.
day, all day I send, brother. All day I send. You can check in spam folder. Sometimes if it is not appear in inbox, it will be in spam. You please try to check it in spam. Already I sent that one. Check it in spam and let me know whether it is there or not. Because yeah, if it is not there, I will forward it once again. 100% I sent. Yeah. See here now. SE38. See, Z sample material data. Okay. Just click on create button. See, sample material information. Then search. Okay. Now see here. Now see here the point is okay. Here the point. See, first of all, I need see which table Mara, right? So just try to open the table Mara. Data dictionary Mara. It's a standard one, right? So click on display. See here the client which table he wants to see material number, created date, material created person, last change. These four fields only he need. These four fields we need to get from this table, right? So see here. I'm going to define the structure. Okay, see here, types, types, begin of structure name. Structure name, anything you can specify. Anything you can specify. But for example, structure name Sai, comma. Okay, see, structure Sai begin. So we need to end, right? So end of Sai. Sai structure ended. In between the size structure, see in between the begin of structure, end of structure, we need to specify. We need to specify the fields. Which fields see here? MATNR, material number, right? So see here, I need the material number. Okay, type. From where I'm going to get this material number? From where? From this Mara table. From this Mara table, I'm going to take this one. So we need to specify Mara hyphen MATNR, comma. See, here the point is all these are the German languages. Based on the short description, we need to select. Next, ERSTA, that means what created on. Okay, so ERSTA, we are getting from this field from our ERSTA. That's enough. Next is what ER name. Okay, so see here, ER name, type Mara hyphen ER name. Next, okay, LAEDA, that means last change it on. LAEDA, type Mara hyphen LAEDA. That's enough. This is the structure. Okay, and I want to say one point here. Structure name here I mentioned Sai. Okay, here the important point is if you specify Sai, Ravi, Raju, Reddy, something like that, 100% that will be the last working day in that company. 100% no doubt at all. You no need to wait for termination mail also. If you're fed up with a software job, you can write like if you can write the code like this, then automatically you will get terminated. Don't specify the table names and structure names every way. Okay, just a normal our names: Sai, Ravi, Raju, Anil, Krishna. Don't specify. See, this is a structure name. That's okay, but we should not specify this one. SAP Labs. SAP Labs have provided one naming convention. That is, if you want to create a structure, the structure name you need to specify ty underscore database table name. Database table name. You can specify ty underscore, or else you can specify ts. Just it's a naming convention only. Just it's a naming convention only. Ty underscore, or else ts underscore, or else ty underscore. Okay. See here, at the point C, here I'm going to specify ty underscore database table. See, all these fields from which database table we are getting? From Mara, right? So we need to specify Mara. Okay, don't specify other names. Okay, you need to specify, you need to start the structure name ty or ts underscore. Then after database table name, from which database table name we are getting these four fields, that database table name you need to specify. Ty underscore Mara. Done. That's it. Okay, clear the point. Anusha Garu and Kamlesh, brother Kamlesh and Shambhavi Garu and Uma Garu. Up to this clear or having any doubt?
Clear.
See, we need to declare the structure first. We need to declare the structure first. Then after, okay, then after, we need to, the second step is what? For this structure, for this created structure, we need to create the internal table and work area. Okay, so see here, data. Internal table name, you can specify IT. IT means internal table. Some people will specify LT. You can specify IT or LT. It's a naming convention. Okay, I'm specifying IT. IT underscore database table name, Mara. Type standard table of. See, here I'm going to take the structure. Why means so my client wants to display these particular fields, four fields only. If the client wants to display all fields, then I can take the table. But here particular fields, right? So structure name you need to specify. That's it. That means what will happen? So ty underscore Mara is what? It's a structure. This is structure having four fields, right? Structure having four fields. These four fields, this structure having four fields, that four fields copied into the internal table. Four fields, so fields only copied, not data. Fields only copied first. Okay, I will show you through debugging, no need to worry. Then see, once you declare the internal table 100% work area we need to declare. Okay, 100% you need to declare the work area. You can specify the work area WA or else LS. Okay, so see here, work area database table type. See here, for the internal table purpose, if you take the structure here, you need to specify structure. If you declare the table name, you need to declare the table name. Okay, so structure. That's it. First of all, see, up to this I'm going to show you just to, okay, see, I'm going to show you the data is copied into an internal table or not. See, the fields check activated. I'm going to place the breakpoint here. Gone desktop 3. See, please observe here, click on internal table. Click on the internal. See, when you click on internal, you can see here, double click it. Did you see here? See, if you are going to create the internal table will create by defaultly index. It's an index row. By default, it will be created. It's common. But see here, except this, you can see the material number, ERSTA, ER name, reader. This internal table got the structure of the, okay, see, got the structure field. See here, material number, ERSTA, ER name, LIDA. See, you can see this one in debugging mode only. Okay, see here. Got the point? Now the point is what this internal table having these four fields, of the particular table Mara. Let's see here. Here the structure. Here the point is what structure having four fields. These four fields passed into the internal table. That's it. Here the point. Next point is what now. Here the point is internal table having the fields only. But what about the data, brother? What about the data? We need the data also, right? So the data is in the database table. So data is in the database table. So that's why, first of all, if you want to get the data from the database table, you need to write the select query. So see here, select. Okay. See here, how many fields here? How many fields data we need here? These four fields, right? So those fields, okay. MATNR, ERSTA, ER name, next LJ, EDA. From where? From Mara into table, internal table, IT underscore Mara. That means what here? See, we are getting these four field values. We are getting these four field values. Okay, we are getting these four field values. We are getting these four field values from the Mara table. From the Mara table, I am getting these four field values. Okay, once I get this four fields data from the Mara table, that okay, that fields from the Mara table. See, from the Mara table, I'm getting these four fields. Once I get these four fields data from the Mara table, then I'm passing, see, into table internal. That means what these four fields data I'm passing into this internal table. I'm passing into this internal table. Okay, clear the point. After this, clear?
Yes,
See,
sir.
I'm getting the data from this. Okay, I'm getting these four fields data from the Mara, from the database table. I'm getting the data. Once I get these four fields data from the Mara table, that four fields value data, I'm going to pass into the internal table. Okay, clear. Brother Kamlesh and Umagaru and Anushagar, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now see here. Now I'm going. Let's we debug. Let's we let's we debug this one. Okay. Just I put the breakpoint here. Oh, I need to activate it. Icon desktop 3. So before debugging, that means before this arrow mark crossed this statement, that means before debugging, click on the internal tab. When you click on the internal tab, there is no data because the select statement had not processed to fetch the data. That means it's not debugged. So click on desktop 3. Click on your file. Now you can see here. See, totally here 92 fields. Out of 92, 4 fields we are getting. 4 fields data we are getting. These 4 fields having the see how many records? 23,687 records. 23,687 records. Okay, 23,680 87 records. You can see. Okay, that means double click on the internet. Now you can see the data. Previously there is no data, but we got the data. If you want to see clearly this data, this is a table display. It's an internal table display. Click on it. When you click on it, to see here, you can see the record. See, this is what index. This index will be created by the internal table by default. Okay, no need to. Why means because see here the point is what here the point is here each record. That means see here under the index number 1 only. under this index number 1 only, this material number record is saved. See here, material number 1 is created date, created person, last change date. This entire record saved under this index number 1. Inside of the internal table, this entire record is saved in this index number. So here the point is a combination of 4 fields like a material. See, this is a material number. This material number created on this date, and this material number was created by Venkatesh, and this material number was last changed on this date. Okay, the combination of these 4 fields is called one record. Okay, now these entire records we need to display. Now these entire records we need to display. Did you get the point up to this clear? Uma garu and Shambhavi garu and Anusha garu and brother Kamlesh, did you people get the point?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, and the next you see we need to display. Here we have multiple records. Do you people remember? I didn't explain the loop and end loop in controlling keywords concepts. What I said at the time, what I said means I said we want to discuss this loop and end loop now. We people will discuss the internal table concept onwards. I said at the time, right? Now this is the time to see. This is the time to use this loop and end loop. Why means we are in internal table concept. Okay, so go back. So here, see loop at internal table. That means IT underscore mana. Why means the entire output data is in internal table, right? Next into work area mara dot end loop. That means what here? This work area, what it will do means for every iteration, the work area it will enter into the internal table and it will fetch the first record. First record means what? A combination of these 4 fields. 4 fields, combination of these 4 fields. Work area will fetch the first record, and with the help of the work area, each and every field will be displayed. That means the combination. Okay, see here now. Right. See colon. Okay. Here I am going to specify 5. Why I am going to specify the 5? I'll tell you later. Okay. Now see here through the work area I need to display. So work area hyphen field name is what? MUTN. Comma next one field is okay. Next 30th character onwards. Work area hyphen ERSTA, comma next 60th character onwards. Work area, okay, hyphen ER name. Next 90th character onwards. Work area Mara hyphen LAEDA dot. That's it. Here the point is what? See, combination of these 4 fields is called one record. Work area will see here the work area will enter into the internal table. It will fetch the first record. That first record will be displayed. Thereafter again it will go back. It will say fetch the second record. It will display like that. Okay. Now see here. Activate it. You can execute it. So here you can see all the records. How many records? So more than 23,000 records. If I display like this 100%, immediately client will scold me. Why means so? What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? Where is the heading? We need the heading. Okay. And one more thing. See, did you people remember here? I mentioned here 530. Why I mentioned means for width purpose. See here. After the 4 characters, see 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 5th character onwards, material number is going to display. 30th character onwards, date is going to display. 60th character onwards, name is going to display. 90th character onwards, see here, date is going to display. For proper alignment purpose, we need to specify like this. Okay. See, I need the headings, right? So see here, write statement. The cartons. First one is what? Material number. Next, 30th pattern words created. Next, 60th cartons person name. Next, 90th cat onwards. Last changed. Next, underline purpose new line. That's it. I'm saving, checking, activating, click on enter, and executing. See, I got the data. I got the data. Okay, I got that. See here, material number one. It's created date. It's created person. Last change date. Okay. See, all these are the records. For example, here you can see more than 23,000 records. Okay. For example, if you want to display first, sometimes the client will ask you, please try to display first 10 rows, first 20 rows, like that. How at that time? How means yes. He don't want to display all the fields. He wants to display uh, first 10 rows of the records, first 20 rows of the records, or else a particular record. Then how we'll see. I'm going back. See here. See here, the point is what we are getting all these 4 fields data from the MARA table, and then we are passing the data into the internal table. Then this internal table having the number of records. From this internal table, I need only 10 records, right? If you need 10 records, you need to specify up to 10 rows. That means what? The first 10 rows of this internal table data only we will get it. See here. First 10 rows. Did you people get the point? Up to this clear? Up to this clear or having any doubt? Whether Kamlesh and Uma Garu and Shambhavi Garu and Anusha Garu clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Now let's we debug this loop. I didn't explain this loop debugging, right? Up to this, see, this is the right statement, you don't need. Okay, this is, see, up to this we discussed. Now we are going to discuss. See, I'm going to place a breakpoint here. Click on execute button. Then click on the desktop 3. See here. First, initially try to click on the internal table. In internal table, how many records we have here? 10 records. Work area, it will fetch the record. See if it will fetch one by one record from this internal table. I'm going back. Click on the work area. Initially, click on the work area. Initially, work area, it doesn't have any data. Here, see, if there is no data for date fields, 8 zeros will come. 8 zeros means nothing. There is no date. Okay, 8 zeros means. Okay, so here, this, see, we need to display the data. Work area fetch the data. See, initially there is no data, right? Because it's not debugged. So click on F5. That means what? Click on F5 means what? The work area fetch the first record from this internal table. If you want to see, double click on the internal. See here. Now the work area will display with the help of the right statement, work area hyphen field name. It will be displayed. Work area hyphen ERSTA. This will be displayed. Like that, the entire record is going to display. See, click on F5. See here. Now see. That okay, that will be okay. The first record is completed. See here, material number 1 is displayed in background. 1 is completed. Next record. Click on F5. See work area. See this work area. Fetch the second record from the internal table. From this internal table. See here. First record is completed. It fetches the second record. Now, see here. Okay. Next. Okay. Third record. See here. Third record. Okay. See here. Next, fourth record. Okay. See here. Next, fifth record. Okay. See here. Next, sixth record. Next, seventh record. Next, ninth record. There is no eighth record. Okay. Ninth record, ninth material number is going, ninth material number is the eighth record here. Okay. See here. Next, ninth record. Next, 10th record. 10th record is what material number. That's enough. Now observe here. I'm going to click on F5. When I click on F5, the cursor directly came to the end loop. Why? Why means this internal table having 10 records. The work area fetch the 10 records. There is no 11th record, right? So that's why it came to out. So click on F8. Okay, clear the point. Up to this, you people are clear or having any doubt? Anusha Garu and Shambhavi Garu, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes,
Clear the
sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, if you need the particular record, single record, okay, so you need to specify parameter. Example, see here, parameters. P underscore, for example, MATNR, type Mara hyphen MATNR. I want to give the input okay, material number. So it will to specify. Let's remove this one. Where MATNR. MATNR means what? This MATNR is belongs to this internal table. Why means all this data we are fetching from the Mara and passing into the internal table. So which material number you are going to provide, that material number should be in internal table. So equal to P underscore MATNR. Okay, P underscore MATNR. Okay, see here, which material number you will provide as an input. If that material number is existed in Mara in the internal table, then that okay, then that records related these four fields data we people will get it. See here. For example, material one. See that record is there. That's why you got it. Okay. For example, okay, 9. That record is there. Okay, got the point? Clear the point up to this, clear or having any doubt? Clear? Anisha Garu and Shambhavi Garu, Uma Garu, Brother
Yes, sir.
Kamlesh, clear. And
Yeah,
see,
it's clear.
don't, as per the above coding standards, we should not write the select query within a single line. Okay, we need to write the select query related fields one by one only. If you write the select query like this, then the people will identify you as a fake guy. Okay, then the team lead or project manager will identify you as a fake guy, as a fake person. So don't write like this. Okay, step by step you need to write. Always you need to write the select query like this one. This is the rule. Field by field. Okay, into table internal, like this you need to write. Okay, save, check, activate. That's it. Okay, clear. After this, clear or having any doubt? Okay, and see, okay, uh, see, this is the internal table. Okay, and just what I did here, I just display the data. See, in tomorrow's class, we people will do the internal table operations. How to insert the data, how to delete the data, how to display the data, or how to display, that's okay. How to modify the data, how to delete, how to sort, and everything we people will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay, clear the point or having any doubt? Shambhavi Garu, Magaru, and Kamlesh brother and Anusha Garu, clear?
Yes,
Clear.
Swami.
Okay,
Clear.
we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Okay. Okay, bye. We'll see you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Right.